stripes are blue. You got to be in that perfect lighting. They look really, really good. You can see that. All right, we're going on a test drive here. The steering wheel is slightly off center. Still letting the car warm up. Shifting really nice, sounds incredible. Still letting everything kind of warm up. Easy car to drive though. Shifting wise, very nice. Hitting on the brakes hard. Brakes have an awesome bite to them, perfect. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now this car does have the book that comes with it with all the information, so that will be listed on the website. Looking at that wheel, looks incredible. Date code on the tires, 2020, and they're Nitto NT555 G2s. Looks good. Tire size, 245/40/18s. Got the Willwoods in there. Beautiful paint. So we're going to kind of scan through this. Got one rock chip there. The rest of that looks good. Pipes look awesome. All the hardware looks good here. That matte black finish. That looks really nice. Little flaw right there. Here on this wheel, day code on that tire, 2018. We do have a couple chips on the barrel there. No rash or anything. Nitto NT555s, once again. Quarter panel looks amazing. These stripes are a dark blue, like a very, very dark blue, and I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to even see that in camera. There you go, yeah, they look super cool. And then they kind of turn black once you step away. Headlights, I like the black look. Looks awesome. Little chip right there like I pointed out earlier. Those are painted on. You cannot feel those at all. They did a great job on that. As far as rock chips go, it's very minimal. Only a couple that I've seen. Looks good. We're gonna get underneath. Looking at that, very clean. Get one chip right there, but the rest of that looks good. So really like 2 or 3 rock chips on that front end, and that's it. Got a couple right there on the fender. There's no date code on this tire. It's probably on the inside. Wheel looks incredible. Fender looks amazing. Door looks good. Nice and clean in here. Wheel looks awesome. Good. Now the alignment on that trunk is off, so you can see the gap here versus there. So I imagine that can be readjusted possibly, and it is hitting right there. So it is chipping the paint. And then you have the gap there. It is locked in. Other than that, looks incredible. All right, looking at the interior, got the all black. Looks incredible. Beautiful, beautiful interior. Now you open the door with this, you just pull it back, and there are no rivets around here, so you can't put a top on this if I'm not mistaken. It is just a fixed, you know, convertible like this. I know a lot of them have these little rivets and you can put like a little cover over it. I don't see them on here, so I imagine this is just a convertible. You're gonna have some wear right there. This right here is loose. I'm not sure what it is. Just maybe a little clip broke or something. Steering wheel looks incredible. Seats look amazing. Harness looks good. There's your shifter. Looks awesome. Beautiful interior. Smells amazing. Look under the dash. Got your kill switch right there. So really, only wear I'm seeing is right there. The rest of that looks good. Even the trim in here looks nice. Actually, right here, just seeing that, got these little rivets. And that one is broke and cracked right there. Looking at that door panel, looks good. Tiny chip right there. The rest of that looks awesome. A little bit of wear on the edge right here. The rest of that seat looks good. Carpet's nice and clean. All of that's solid. Nice and solid. All right, we're gonna scan through the engine bay. Looks incredible. Nice and clean. Get back here in the back. Looks good. There's your plaque. Even the stripes go on the underside of the hood too. Super cool. Propped up nice. Good hardware. Incredible condition.